Do you know you can earn money online just by using your mobile phone? Stay with me because I'll show you 30 plus ways to make 60-70K per month as a beginner.
Most students think earning online is impossible, but with just your phone and the right digital skills, you can easily build 60-70K per month. Let me show you how.
Hi, I'm Ashish from Kannauj, Uttar Pradesh. I started from a small village and now with digital skills, I've already earned more than 7 lakhs online.
If you're a beginner and want to earn online, then watch carefully. In this video, I'll share over 30 methods to make money using just your mobile phone. Students like us usually struggle with expenses, but I learned digital skills, started affiliate marketing, and today I manage my own income, over 7 lakhs earned already.
I've already taught more than 600 people how to earn online, and many of them now make 60-70K a month, some even over 1 lakh.
Today, over 600 students are working with me and earning online, while I'm still a college student myself.
My journey started just like yours, from a simple school and a college search for how to earn online, and now I've earned lakhs. I began as a regular student from a small school, but by starting online business in college, I've built a journey that inspires 600 plus others. I wanted to be financially independent and support my family. By learning digital skills, I earned 48,000 rupees in just one day.
Earning 48,000 rupees in a single day, more than many people make in a month. That's the power of digital skills. Through digital skills, I now cover my own expenses and support my family financially. And today, they're proud of me. My family is happy today because I learned digital skills. I can support them and live life on my own terms.
One skill changed my life: digital skills. Now let's talk about the work that made this growth possible. Who can do this work? Anyone above 15 years old with a smartphone and internet connection can start, even without a laptop. Whether you are a student, a job person, or even a housewife, you can do this work part-time or full-time. And if we really want to earn money, we must first learn something. And today, that means learning digital skills. Just like in school, we learn to become doctors or engineers, in the online world, we need digital skills to start earning. Now, where to learn these skills? The same place I learned from, BizGurukul, an e-learning platform for digital skills. And is BizGurukul safe? Yes, it's a government-certified platform that even received the Bharatiya Udyog Ratna Award. BizGurukul has been featured on big shows like Josh Talks, proving its credibility and success in the digital space. So you can imagine how genuine this platform is. BizGurukul is verified on WhatsApp, Facebook, and YouTube, which shows that it's a safe and trusted platform. BizGurukul started on 24th March 2020. Now let's talk about what BizGurukul actually is. It's an e-learning educational platform where you can learn digital skills. After completing these skills, you also get certificates, which can help you apply for good jobs, start your own business, or even become self-employed. Here, the skills are divided into 4 packages. The first is Traffic Mastery, which gives you 17 full courses. The second is Influence Mastery, where you get 7 courses plus Traffic Mastery for free. The third is Finance Mastery, which offers 2 courses along with Traffic and Influence Mastery for free.
And the fourth and best package is Business Mastery, where you get 5 courses along with Traffic, Influence, and Finance Mastery completely free.
Waiting up tastings. Now let us talk about how you can earn. The first way is through freelancing. Or freelancing means using the skills you've learned. For example, if you complete the Facebook ads course, many businesses need ads for growth. You can work for clients, run ads for their business, provide them services, and in return, they will pay you money. You can run Facebook ads for your clients and charge a good amount. The minimum charge can be 5 to 6,000 per month. If you provide this service to 10-11 clients, you can earn 55 to 65,000 monthly. And the best part is, you can generate this income without showing your face. You'll get proper training for this. You can also earn by editing a short 30-second video and charge 500 rupees. Content writing is another way. You can write and get paid. Now you may think, if I learn Facebook ads, video editing, and content writing, who will give me clients? Don't worry about that. At BizGurukul, you learn everything step by step, even how to get clients. So you don't need to take any tension about this because in BizGurukul, you'll be taught everything step by step. You'll learn how to get clients, how to give services, and how to actually work. Through their courses, you'll gain proper training. And even if you learn just 2 to 3 skills, you can earn 60,000 to 70,000 rupees per month. As you deliver good results to your clients, they'll pay you more next month. Not only from India, but clients from abroad will also pay you, even in dollars. BizGurukul will guide you step by step with complete training in every area. Many students, after completing courses, are now working in top companies. The second way you can earn is dropshipping. You might have already heard this name. Let me explain in very simple words. In dropshipping, you are just a middleman. You don't own products, but still you're running a business. You just need to create an online store, list trending products on your store. People will obviously purchase them. Whenever an order comes, you forward it to the supplier and they deliver it directly. List trending products on your store. People will obviously purchase them. Whenever an order comes, you forward it to the supplier and they deliver it directly. So basically, you just created an online store and did the marketing. That's it, such a simple process. Through this easy work, people in India are earning from 40,000 rupees to even 1.5 lakh rupees per month. And if you're confused about which product to choose, don't worry. BizGurukul is there to teach you everything.
This is a 3.5-hour course where you'll learn in detail how to create your own store, list products, do research, marketing, and make the business profitable.
The third way to earn money is print on demand. It's super creative and interesting. You must have seen the trending t-shirt Apna Time Aayega. That was actually a print on demand product. And
Here's how it works. You create a trending design, upload it to your store, people purchase it, and then your printing partner prints and ships it directly to the customer.
the best part is you don't have to worry about shipping or printing. People are earning lakhs per month from this business. This is a 5-hour course where expert trainers already earning 2-3 lakhs per month will teach you step by step how to start print on demand. Now the fourth way to earn is Amazon FBA. You already know everyone buys from Amazon, but did you know you can build your own business on Amazon too? In Amazon FBA, you own your product, list it on Amazon, do marketing, and Amazon handles the picking, packing, shipping, and delivery to customers. So your focus is only on choosing the right product and marketing. People are making 2-3 lakhs per month with Amazon FBA. It's a trending business with huge growth potential. And if you don't want to learn technical skills, BizGurukul also has the affiliate model, a simple way where thousands have already generated great income. So what is the affiliate model? If you promote BizGurukul packages on your social media and someone buys through your link, you earn commission, but not just 10% or 20%. Here you get a full 70% commission, and your earnings are credited every Tuesday directly to your bank account. And yes, no waiting for months, only 5% government tax is applied. That's why it's a 100% government registered platform and completely safe to trust. Now let's talk about packages. Normally we invest lakhs in degrees and don't get much in return. But here you invest at affordable prices, and still the best package is Business Mastery. Website price 29,099. But from my description link you get 9,000 discount, so you pay only 20,999. From this package you earn 14,000 to commission. Second package, Finance Mastery. Website price 19,999, but with my link only 14,999 rupees. From Finance Mastery you get 10,000 rupee commission. Third package, Influence Mastery. Website price 15,999 rupees. With my link only 10,999 rupees. From this you earn 7,000 rupees commission. Last package is Traffic Mastery. Website price 8,999 rupees. With my link only 5,999 rupees.
And from Traffic Mastery, you get 4,000 rupees commission. So you can earn in multiple ways: freelancing, dropshipping, print on demand, Amazon FBA, and affiliate marketing.
So today most people are earning 60,000 to 70,000 rupees per month with this model. For example, if you take Business Mastery and make just 5 to 6 sales a month, you easily earn 70,000 plus. That's the power of learning digital skills and affiliate marketing with BizGurukul. Affordable investment, high returns, and multiple income sources.
Many people ask me, Hajar, Ashish bhai, which is the best package for us? And also, which package did you start with?
I recommend only one package, Pistings Business Mastery, because in this you get finance, influence, and traffic mastery completely free. Here you don't need to invest money again and again. It's just a one-time invest me. And for example, Tizbing, if you start with Influence Mastery at 14,999 rupees and later upgrade, you'll pay 20,999 again. That means total 36,000 rupees. Instead, directly go for Business Mastery once and get all packages together. I also started my journey with Business Mastery.
and you can see the results yourself. Plus, I will give you my 10,000 rupees worth personal mentorship free. What is mentorship? I will personally guide you step by step where you are making mistakes and what to do next. Now, you might be thinking, I don't have any knowledge, how will I do this? When I started, even I had zero knowledge and zero experience. But here you get complete training and A to Z guidance. And you learn directly from people who are already earning 50-70 lakhs with these digital skills. So if they can earn 3-4 lakhs per month, they can definitely help us earn at least 60-70K. I learned directly from them, and that's how I was able to generate this much income. Now, I will also give you the same step-by-step guidance to start your journey. Talking about training Trispend, once you enroll in BizGurukul, you get both recorded courses and live sessions. So you get complete time flexibility. You can watch anytime and start earning money. You get full-time flexibility here, but listen, then you can watch the course in the morning, evening, or night. It's your choice. The courses are available in both Hindi and English. Plus, you also get 2 to 3 live sessions. In those live Zoom sessions, you are taught exactly how to work and how to start earning. Now you may be wondering, when will I start earning after joining? If you follow BizGurukul's training properly, you can make your first earning within 12 to 16 days. And the amount you invested, you can recover it within your very first month. For example, I made my first income on the 13th day itself. And I recovered my full investment within just 25 days. Some people say, I don't have money right now. But I also arranged it when I started. Because if you don't take action today, then even after 1 week, 1 month, or 1 year, nothing will change. Nothing is free in life. Our parents have already spent lakhs on our education. And still, getting a good paying job today is very difficult. So do you think your parents won't allow you to invest 20 to 21,000 rupees to learn high paying skills? Because from here, you can actually grow your career and even achieve your dreams. From here, you can easily generate 1 lakh income monthly. If I had thought it was fake, scam, or fraud, then today I wouldn't be here. Today, I earn over 1 lakh rupees and I am able to support my family financially. So, if you have big dreams, you must take responsibility to achieve them. Your journey depends on the decision you take today, excuses or action. I have added all package links in the description. Just click and enroll from there. Don't forget to apply my referral code ASH383589 for discount. And if you face any difficulty, you can directly message me on my WhatsApp number 9638608065. And if you face any difficulty, you can directly message me on my WhatsApp number HU638608065.